Okay. Let's keep quiet. I will
รบกวนปิดไมค์
All right, so have a nice day and welcome to our first online class for today. Okay, our topic for today is all about needs of animals. So even you speak there, I cannot hear you because I muted you all. So animals need to live and grow. Next, here, before we proceed to our class, we have to follow this virtual classroom rules. Number one, be a good listener. Okay, be a good listener. You have to listen to me. Next, follow directions. Follow directions. Next, finish this video till the end. So do not leave it, but you have to finish the video, okay? Next, these are the vocabulary. Number one is survive. Survive means for you to live longer. Next, need. What do you mean by need? Sorry, no? Sorry. What do you mean by need? Need is something that you want. See? Like for example, I need to eat. I need water to drink. I need something to eat. I want to eat food. I want iPhone 7. I want iPhone 12. So like that. These are the top needs. All right, so another thing is grow. Grow like that. Hey, someone is exercising. Listen to me. Okay, I can see you. Next, we have water. We need water to drink every day. Next, we have air. We need air to breathe in. Next, we need food. Next, we need shelter. Do you know what is shelter? Shelter is what? Thank you. All right, so shelter is something that you live in. Like, for example, a house. You are living in a house. I am living in the house too. Because shelter is referring to the hand. Yes, Emily? Because Emily is raising. Want to say something? Okay. No. If you want to say something, please raise your hand. I will recognize you. All right, so here we go. Now, if you want to talk, because I muted you all, I cannot hear your voice. I cannot hear any noise from you. If you want to talk, just raise your hand. Okay? All right, so let's proceed to the next one. Watch this video.
Hello kids, let's learn about the needs of an animal.
I love animals.
Animals are all around us. Just like you and me, they are also living things. Can you name a few things that an animal must have to survive? Animals need 4 basic things to survive. They are food, water, air, and shelter.
4 basic needs: food, water, air, and
How many basic needs? How many? There are 4. Okay, we have food, water, air, and shelter. Okay, those are the 4 basic needs.
shelter.
All animals need to eat. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Some eat plants, some animals eat nuts. Some eat fruits and vegetables. Some animals eat other animals. Food gives them energy and helps them grow. Animals need water to survive. Animals get water from ponds, lakes, river, and rainwater. Water refreshes them and keeps them alive. Animals must have clean air to breathe. Shelter is another basic need for an animal. Different animals have different shelters like nest, honeycomb, cave, burrows, etc. Shelter protects the animals from weather and other animals. Treat animals with kindness.
Love and care.
All right, so thanks so much for watching that video. Again, I will ask you how many, or should I say, what are those 4? Hello, mommy. Mommy is watching. All right, hey, mommy and daddy, they're watching and listening also to me. And today, this time, I'm gonna ask you the 4 basic needs of animals. Okay, mommy is watching again. All right, so the 4 basic needs, we have food, food to eat, yum, 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 yummy, and the water to drink, and what else? The air to breathe, like that, to breathe in, and the last but not the least, we have shelter. Shelter means a house. See, shelter means a house to live in. You live in your house. Do you have a house? Yes, you have a house. Because I know that all of you are living in a house this time, since this time is pandemic. So today, what do animals need to live and grow? Live means stay longer, to stay alive. What do we mean grow? Grow is like that, growing up, growing up, growing up. That is grow. And next, okay, here we go. Animals are living things. See, animals are living things, pero wala isiwit, na? Sorry, I speak Thai. There are few things that animals need in order to stay alive and grow. Okay, animals are actually living things that need something to grow. Grow. Because you need also to, you need something also to grow. Because I am a living thing. You are living thing. Okay? Okay. Next. Some of you there is watching. Now, animals need, number one, food, water, air, and house. Not house, but shelter. Okay. Okay, need something. Okay. Okay. All right. We need food, water, air, and shelter. Remember that, okay? Remember. All right. Number one, we will be talking about this. Animals need food. Look at the first picture. The picture shows that the animal is what? The rat is what? Eating something. What else? The koala is eating something too. And last but not the least, the lion is eating too. So those are the things that you have to remember. Animals need food. Whatever animal is that animal. I'm enjoying watching mommy and daddies are here though. Watching mommies and daddies. Hello, mommies and daddies. Watching around there, you're listening to me also. So here, animals need food. You need food. You need food. I need food to eat. The 4 basic needs of animals. Next. Okay, sorry. Next, how to erase this one? Sorry. Okay, I erase now. All right. All right, so here we go. I will not read this one because it's too long. And here, next is animals need water. Water. Do you eat water? Do you drink water? Yes or no? Yes. The answer is yes. We are drinking water. Animals are also need water to drink. Okay? Like this, panda is drinking water, zebra is drinking water, orangutan is drinking water, and all of the animals. Some of you are laughing, maybe you're happy. Okay? Number 1, food. Number 2, water. Next. Sorry. Next, animals need air. Some animals live in the forests, some animals live in the sea, but they need water too. And they need air too. Okay? They need air. Number 1, we have food. Number 2, we have water. And number 3, we have air. Okay? Animals breathe in air. They need air in order for them to live. Okay? Without food for 1 day, you can survive. You can survive. Without water for 1 day, you can survive. But without air for 2 minutes, for 1 minute, you cannot survive. You will die. Okay? Without water, air, you will die. Okay? Remember that one. That air is the most important thing for you and me and for the animals. Okay. Next. Oh, thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy, for translating. Next is shelter. Shelter. This one, I will color this one. Next is shelter. This one. Shelter. This one. Shelter. Shelter is the same with home. Home or a house. Okay? Shelter is actually the same with a house or a home. We are living in a house. And that house, we called it shelter. Okay? Shelter to live. Okay, okay? Okay, shelter is very important for us and for the animals. For us and for the animals. Like this one. Like this bear. The bear is what? Living in, the bear is living in a cave. Cave. See? And another thing here, the rabbit is living in a burrow, They are hiding there under the soil because they want to stay there. They're scared, maybe. That's their what? Their what? Their shell. This one. Wait. That's their home, which is our shelter. Okay? Great that you're listening to me. I will read it. Next. Next. We have animals need shelter also. We're almost done. Some animals live in a tree. Some animals live in the soil. In the soil. Some animals live in the forests. Some animals live in the water. Can you live in the water? Yes or no? Can you live in the water? Cannot, because water is very dangerous for us. Because I cannot breathe in the water. You cannot breathe in the water. Next. Animals and their home. Okay, and their home names. Number one here, what do animals need to live and grow? Very simple. Number one, animals need, I will unmute you now so that you can speak with me too. Okay. I will allow you to unmute. Okay, all of you. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go. Unmute your microphone.
Food.
Ready? Animals need?
Food.
Number 2, animals need?
Water.
Number 3, animals need air. And number 4 needs?
A place to live.
A place to live or a shelter. Okay? Thank you so much for being with me. And this topic is very nice. And I want you to remember those 4 basic needs of animals. Thank you so much. And before I end this video, I want you to listen to me. Answer the worksheets that I'm going to give it to you, and print it, answer it, and place it in the folder and bring it here when the class resumes. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. See you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Thank you very much. See you next time. See you next time.